Hey, Jack. How are you doing today?
Hi, Mel. I'm doing great, thanks. The weather is absolutely beautiful out.
So, do you have any plans for the weekend yet?
I don't know yet. I want to go out, but I've got no plan. What about you?
Well, on Saturday morning, I'm heading over to the new Green Park.
It's really big and super quiet. Would you like to come with me?
Oh, that sounds lovely. What time?
Let's meet at 10 a.m., right at the train station.
Okay, 10 a.m. at the station. Is there a nice cafe near the park?
I'd really love to drink a Turkish coffee.
I don't know about Turkish coffee, but there's a famous bakery called the Golden Croissant.
They have great tea and some amazing sandwiches.
Perfect. And on Sunday, what are you doing?
Well, Saturday's for going out, but Sunday's definitely for staying home.
I need to study and clean up. It's just a lazy Sunday for me.
Oh, I totally understand. I usually clean my house on Sundays, too. We could have a big breakfast before I study. Do you know the Sunrise Diner?
No. Where is it?
It's right next to the library. It's very easy to find.
Great. I'll see you on Saturday then.